I'm back. Welcome back, YouTube. Finishing up this Corsa not so well fitting exhaust system to fitting. Let me show. So I have all this section reworked. Let me just take it through it. Hangers are welded in the wrong position. No camera tricks here. Both sides. This back here, still not ample clearance in here to clear this, and I have the push pin in, so I just use the carbide on the plastic to gain some access. It should be perfectly fine. If you notice, this hanger here is way back where it's not supposed to be. This hanger up here is way close to this bracket under here. I mean, it's okay, it's not perfect. It's just way too close everywhere. This bracket up here, same thing. You know, it could rattle. I mean, these are the areas you really have to pay attention to install on this Corsa system. And it's not just Corsa, it's everybody out there. I would say probably 95% of these are just mass-produced garbage. And I don't care what your price point is and what you spent. But I got it ironed out. Now, you can see that this tip here is in a good location. This tip here is out too far. So now I'm gonna have to bring this tip back in. Hopefully it goes easy. Would I recommend this product for an experienced installer? Yes. For the customer, absolutely not. Thanks for watching.